If you need to manage and migrate data in multiple types of database systems and cloud services, things can get tricky. For instance, you are likely to face the trouble of spending too much time on finding compatible tools, checking their feature sets, learning how to use them, and switching between them every time, depending on the system you're currently working with. But what if we told you that you don't need to waste your time anymore? We've got a solution so versatile and feature-rich that it will make you productive from day one. It's called dbForge Edge, and it's a multi-database suite that covers a massive spectrum of database development, management, and administration tasks across Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, Postgres, Amazon Redshift, and a lot of other cloud services. dbForge Edge comprises 4 IDEs, called dbForge Studios, and offers a unified experience that will help you simplify and optimize your routine workflow related to data search and editing, comparison and synchronization, import, export, and migration between different environments. Whether you are a developer, data architect, analyst, or manager who works with various databases and wants to simplify data management, you can fully rely on dbForge Edge. Let's take a closer look at its features. First off, we must mention Data Editor. It's a convenient tool that provides you with full control over the data grid, allowing you to perform a variety of manipulations with your data. You can view data in 2 modes, grid view and card view. You can edit data directly in the cells, like a regular Excel spreadsheet. You can sort data in ascending or descending order. You can group data by a specific column or multiple columns. You can filter data using a slew of flexible conditions. Finally, you can inspect data from related tables using foreign key lookup. Next comes Data Search, a feature that helps you find the required entries in your tables and views. For your convenience, this feature includes search with wildcards and case-sensitive search. You can also narrow down your search results by specifying the required search parameters, such as objects, databases, and connections to perform your search in. How about finding differences in your data, keeping it in sync, and even migrating it to another server? Never easier. Let's begin with the integrated data compare functionality, which compares the data of a source in a target table, highlights all the identified differences, and synchronizes them in no time with an auto-generated script. Data compare can be extremely useful for migration. For instance, what if you're scaling your database infrastructure and need to move your data to a different environment? Well, first, you create a new empty database with the same structure in the specified environment. Then you start a new data comparison, set the first database as the source, set the new database as the target, run the comparison, sync the source data to the target, and that's it. Another way to make data migration easier is import and export. Here, dbForge Edge supports data export to XLS, JSON, Google Sheets, CSV, and 10 other most popular file formats. Each format comes with fine-tuned flexible settings. And what's more, you can easily create templates for recurring import and export tasks. Once it's set up and saved, you can reuse it whenever needed. To top it off, you can automate import and export operations from the command line using auto-generated scripts. Want to try it all yourself for free? That's easy. Download a 30-day trial version of dbForge Edge, give it a go, and we believe your data management will not be the same afterwards.